Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Gnanadivika YouTube channel. 2 days ago, we are uploading a video of new pattern SSLC model question paper in science in Kannada medium. So after watching this video, many students are through the phone call and through the comment box, they requested me, so please upload in English medium. So for sake of our prestigious children, today we are going to upload a video of new pattern SSLC model question paper of science in English medium. So please students watch and subscribe to our channel for further updates or for any query related to science. Please comment in comment box. So once again, I welcome you all for our YouTube channel. Please watch this new pattern of SSLC model question paper science in English medium. In this model question paper, physics containing 14 marks, electricity 4 marks, magnetic effect of electric current 4 marks, light reflection and refraction 3 marks, sources of energy 3 marks. Totally 14 marks, 14 questions containing physics. While in chemistry, there are 4 lessons: acids, bases and salts 3 marks, metals 3 marks, carbon and its compounds for 4 marks, periodic classification of elements, it is for 2 marks. Totally 12 marks, 12 questions are taken from the chemistry. Biology, it is for 14 marks, life process 2 marks, control and coordination 3 marks, our environment 2 marks, how do organisms reproduce 3 marks, heredity for 2 marks, sustainable management of natural resources, it is for 2 marks, totally 14 marks. So we are divided physics, chemistry and biology 14, 14 and 12. Then the first question from this model question paper of science: which of the given is the SI unit of electric current, ohm, ampere, volt, Faraday? Which of the following is the SI unit of electric current? The SI unit of electric current is ampere. Option B, ampere, it is the right answer. Second question is: the hindrance presented by material of conductor to the smooth passing of electric current is known as resistance, conductance, inductance. None of these. The hindrance presented by material of conductor to the smooth passing of electric current is known as conductance. Conductance is the right answer. Third question is: a fuse wire is inserted in which wire? Live wire, in the neutral wire, in the earth wire, may be connected in any line. A fuse wire is inserted in live wire. So live wire is the right answer for third question. Next question is: the rate of flow of an electric charge is known as electric potential, electric conductance, electric current. None of these. The rate of flow of an electric charge is known as electric current. Next, the fifth question is: a magnetic field line is used to find the direction of southern north, a compass needle, a bar magnet. D, magnetic field. A magnetic field line is used to find the direction of magnetic field. Magnetic field is the right answer. The sixth question is: the magnetic field lines inside a current carrying solenoid are aligned the axis and parallel to each other, circular but they do not intersect each other, circular at the ends inside the solenoid, all of these. The right answer is along the axis. Seventh question is: a strong bare magnet is placed vertical above a horizontal wooden board. The magnetic lines of force will be only in horizontal plane around the magnet, only in vertical plane around the magnet, in horizontal as well as in vertical planes around the magnet, in all planes around the magnet. A strong bar magnet placed vertically above a horizontal wooden board, the magnetic lines of force will be in all planes around the magnet. Next, going on to 8th question: an electric fuse is used to prevent short circuit overload. An electric fuse is used to prevent both A and B is the right answer, both short circuit and overload. Next, ninth one question is, a large aperture objects are used in telescopes because they have better dispersion, have less aberration, have better resolution, can see larger objects. Large aperture objects are used in telescopes because they have better resolution. Next, 10th question is, two thin lenses, one of the focal length plus 60 centimeter and other of focal length minus 20 centimeter are kept in contact. Their combined focal length is, the answer is minus 30 centimeter is the right answer for this question. Next, move on to 11th question. The focal length of lens depends on the radii of curvature of its surfaces, the refractive index of its material, the refractive index of the medium surrounding all of these factors. The focal length of lens depends on all of these factors. Next, 12th question is, which is most popular kitchen fuel in India? LPG, kerosene, coal fired. The most popular kitchen fuel in India is liquid petroleum gas, that is LPG is the right answer. Next, move on to 13th question. Which method is used to produce electricity in hydroelectric power plant? By boiling the water to produce steam, by ionizing water, by running dynamo by kinetic energy, any of these. The method used to produce electricity in hydroelectric power plant is electricity is extracted from water. It is the right answer. Electricity is extracted from water. Next question is 14th question. Which of the given is a component of biogas? Methane, LPG, CNG, hydrogen sulfide. The main component of biogas is methane, CH4. Methane is the right answer for this question. Move on to chemistry section. Acid present in apple is oxalic acid, malic acid, acetic acid, formic acid. The acid present in apple is malic acid. Malic acid, it is the right answer. Next, 16th question is, most of the oxides of metals when react with acid form a base, an acid, a salt, either one or two. Most of the oxides of metals when react with acid they form salt. Salt is the right answer. Next, 17th question. Generally, when certain metals reacts with an acid, they release dash gas. Nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, argon. Generally, when certain metals reacts with an acid, they release hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is the right answer for this 17th question. 18th question. Which of the given properties is generally not shown by metals? Electrical conduction, sonorous in nature, dullness, ductility. The properties of metals generally not shown by is dullness. Dullness is the right answer for this question. Next, 19th question. Which one of the given metals does not react with cold as well as hot water? Sodium, calcium, magnesium, iron. So iron, which does not react with cold water as well as hot water. Iron is the right answer, Fe. 20th question. What happens when calcium is treated with water? It does not react with water. It reacts violently with water. It reacts less violently with water. Bubbles of hydrogen gas form stick to the surface of calcium. When calcium is treated with water, it reacts less violently with water and bubbles of hydrogen gas form stick to the surface of the calcium. The right answer is C and D. Next, 21st question. Which of the given is not an aliphatic hydrocarbon? Ethane, ethane, propane, benzene. So among these, benzene is not an aliphatic hydrocarbon. So benzene is the right answer. Next, move on to 22nd question. In the given reaction, alkaline potassium permanganate acts as CH3 plus CH2 plus OH, or mark heat, or mark CH3 plus COOH, reducing agent, oxidizing agent, catalyst, dehydrating agent. Potassium permanganate acts as oxidizing agent. 23rd question. In which of the given compounds OH is the functional group? Butanone, butanol, butanoic, butanol. So among these, OH is the functional group of butanol. Next question. The soap molecule has a hydrophilic head and a dash. Options: hydrophobic tile, hydrophobic head and a hydrophilic tile, hydrophobic head and a hydrophobic tile, hydrophilic head and a hydrophilic tile. The soap molecule has a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tile. Hydrophobic tile is the right answer. Next, move on to 25th question. How many groups are there in periodic table? 18, 8, 28, 17. 18 groups are there in the periodic table. The right answer is 18. Next, move on to 26th question. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, the elements were arranged in periodic table according to increasing atomic number, decreasing atomic number, increasing atomic masses, decreasing atomic masses. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, the elements were arranged in a periodic table according to increasing their atomic mass. 27th question. Which is the correct sequence? Mouth, stomach, small intestine, esophagus, large intestine. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. Mouth, stomach, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Among these, the correct sequence is option D. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. D is the right answer for this question. Next, 28th question. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in trachea and larynx, alveoli of lungs, alveoli and throat, throat and larynx. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in alveoli of lungs. Next, 29th question. In a neuron, conversion of electric signal to chemical reaction occurs at cell body, dendritic end, axonal terminals and axon. In a neuron, conversion of electric signal to chemical reaction occurs at axonal terminals. Option C is the right answer. 30th question. The growth of tendrils in pea plant is due to effect of gravity, effect of chemicals, rapid cell divisions in tendrilar cells that are away from support, rapid cell division in tendrilar cells in contact with the support. The growth of tendrils in pea plant is due to rapid cell divisions in tendrilar cells that are away from support. Option C is the right answer for this question. Rapid cell divisions in tendrilar cells that are away from support. 31st question. The brain is responsible for balancing of body, thinking, regulating heartbeat, and last option is all. The brain is responsible for all. All is the right answer. Brain is responsible for balancing of body, thinking, regulating heartbeat, and option D is all. The brain is responsible for all these activities. Which among the following is not the function of testis at puberty? Formation of sperms, releasing testosterone, ovulation, release of seminal fluid. The right answer is ovulation. Ovulation is not the function of testis at puberty. Next, 33 question number. In human females, an event that reflects onset of reproductive phase is growth of body, change in voice, changes in ear pattern, menstruation. Among these, in human females, an event that reflects onset of reproductive phase is change in voice. Change in voice is the right answer. Next, move on to 34th question. During adolescence, several changes occur in human body. Mark one change that is associated with sexual maturity in boys. Loss of milk teeth, increase in height, weight gain, cracking of voice. Cracking of voice is the right answer for this question. Next, move on to question number 35. We should reduce the use of the plastic bags, bottles, etc. because they are not durable, they are non-biodegradable, they are made up of toxic materials, they react with the atmospheric gases. We should reduce the use of the plastic bags, bottles, etc. because they are non-biodegradable. Option B, it is the right answer. They are non-biodegradable. Next, move on to question number 36. The substance which is chiefly responsible for the depletion of ozone layer is CFC, CH4, DDT, O3 means ozone layer. Ozone molecule. The substance which is responsible for the depletion of ozone layer is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. CFC is the right answer. Next, 37th question. Two pink colored flowers on crossing resulted in one and two pink and one white flower progeny. The nature of cross will be double fertilization, self pollination, cross pollination, no fertilization. Two pink colored flowers are crossing resulted in one and two pink and one white flower progeny. The nature of cross will be cross pollination. Cross pollination is the right answer for that question. Move on to 38th question. From below, select the character that is acquired, not inherited. Options: color of eye, color of skin, size of body, nature of hair. From below, the character that is acquired, not inherited, is size of the body. Size of the body is the right answer. Next, 39th question. The important message conveyed by Chipko movement is to involve the community in forest conservation efforts, to ignore the community in forest conservation efforts, to cut down forest trees for developmental activities. Option D. Government agencies have unquestionable right to order destruction of trees in forest. The important message conveyed by Chipko movement is to involve the community in forest conservation efforts. Is the message conveyed by Chipko movement. And the last question, select the eco-friendly activity among them. Using car for transportation, using poly bags for shopping, using dyes for coloring class, using windmills to generate power for irrigation. Among these, the eco-friendly activity is using windmills to generate power for irrigation. So, thank you one and all.